Well, finished.
I'm coming. No hard work, only brave dogs.
Be quiet, Dobby. You've been naughty lately. I'm going to teach you a lesson today. Attention, don't move.
Attention!
Listen to me. As long as you're good, I'll take it out. Turn right. Yeah. Turn left. Okay. Sit down. Well done. Well, now that's a good dog.
Let me tell you quietly, I just farted.
What? How naughty of you, Dobby!
I'm sorry. Can you stop spanking me?
You want me to play with you? Then you have to make me happy. Play cute.
I will never make you angry again. Come and play with me.
If that's not enough, can you dance? Dobby! Attention! I still prefer to see you dance hip-hop. Come on, show me your skill.
Handstands are hard work. Give me a round of applause.
Wow, that's great! That's great! Very nice!
Stop it! I am itching.
Dobby is very good today. Let me take you out to play. Come here, Dobby! Oh, and take the ball too. Good for you, Dobby. Come here.